going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to do some analysis for you on BTT USD Bittorent. So what I'm looking at here is I'm just going to focus on this bit of market structure that we've got here. So to me, this is a downtrend, of course. So I'm just going to put our little trend line in just so we can see it visually. And what I'm looking at here, so if this was our lower high in this little downtrend, okay, I'm not going to use that because, well, I'm just going to use this level here because to me this is more of a lower high than that, and that's just my personal opinion. So I'm just going to mark out this level like this, like so. And what we can see here is this is our lower low. We're in the downtrend, and what you can see, price is pushed up into our lower high here. Okay, so anything below the lower high is still in a downtrend. So what I'm going to be watching for now with this pair is how we react in and around this level if we are to go bullish. And of course, you know, alternatively, if we push back down further, we'll be looking how we react around this support. And if we do start to break that support, then you know we're going to be looking to move further down in and around these levels here, for example. Let me just double check that. Yeah, for example there, because we have these wicks here, and then of course we have these wicks here. Alternatively, you know, if we are to go bullish, like I said, I'm looking for price to push up into this lower high area here, like so. So say if we was to go from here now and we start to push up, and then we start to get a break of this lower high like this with some strong momentum, I will then be looking to see how price forms and if we can start pushing back up into these levels and basically catch like a 10-15% move. And of course, you know, I have to be a little bit patient with this and wait for the analysis to play out. And you know, sometimes it's better to be patient than just jumping in on things, and that's just my opinion. You know, I like to get my good entry points if I can do, and yeah, that you know, that's basically it. So once we start pushing up into this level, if we do, I'm looking to see if we can get our continuation patterns up to here. And then what I found interesting is if I just jump over to the weekly time frame. Now, sorry about that. See, if you look at this here, so this is one big downtrend, of course, right? So I'm going to say that this is our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay? And what I can see here is if I mark that level, so if this is the lower low, price is pushed back into this lower high here, and you can see we've had that rejection, we've pushed back down. So to me, if we can push up here into this lower high on the weekly time frame, and then you start to get a break of this level, that will then indicate to me that you have violated the structure and that we are then flipping from bearish to bullish on the higher time frame. And of course, the higher the time frame, the more powerful it is. So all eyes on BTT to see if we can get a break of this level here, and then things will start to look interesting, and then you can start to look for your long opportunities back up to these levels. And of course, all being well, you could catch 100% move. So yeah, you know, that's just my opinion. That's just the way that I like to look at things and work things out. And I'm not saying that you should do that, but just to give you some education and the way that I look at things and the way that I break things down, yeah, I just want to put these videos out so you can see and listen to what I have to say. So that's basically it, you know. Just waiting to see what happens, really. And of course, this is the patient gain, and you can see this is our level I just marked out on the higher time frame analysis. And like I said, so if we can get a push up there and a break, and then we can get that continuation up higher, then it will start to be very interesting. Because if we, again, like I said, if we can break this level, then we can start looking for that continuation back up higher on the higher time frame analysis. So that's it, you know, I'm not going to say anything else. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any feedback for me, if you've got any cryptos you'd like me to cover, just let me know in the comments section. I'd be more than happy to do that for you. That's it though, everyone. Thanks for tuning in as always. Take care, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers, everyone. Bye-bye.